Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important forex currency pairs. And sorry for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay. And this analysis is for 25th Feb Thursday only. Today is 25th Feb, so this analysis is for today only. Okay, so the first stock that I have is Anglo American. The LTP of Anglo American was 2862. Okay, so on the screen you can see that I have marked down few levels for Anglo American. Okay, so you can this is the resistance zone and this is the support available for Anglo American. So if the stock opens between these two ranges, I mean if the stock opens between 2728 and 2900, in between this range, okay, so you just need to wait for these two levels. Okay. In case Anglo American goes upside, okay, in case it goes up and hits this level 2900 level and it fails to break through, okay, in case it fails to break this particular level, okay, and if it shows some reversal sign like this or like this, then you can short it or you can sell. In case it succeeds in crossing this level comfortably, volume should be there. Okay, without volume a breakout is not convincing. It may be a fake out also, therefore volume is required. If it breaks the level successfully and comfortably trades over the resistance area for say 15-20 minutes, then only you can consider that okay, the previous resistance has become the support, and then you can go ahead and buy. Suppose it breaks the level and let it sustain above this level for 15-20 minutes, okay, then only you go ahead and buy. And if it shows some reversal sign after hitting this area, then you can sell. Similarly, here also if it comes down to this level and bounces off, okay, if it bounces off from here showing some price rejection from below, you can buy. In case it crosses the level, then you can short it. Okay. So the second stock we have is AVRY. For AVRY also you can see that I have marked down two levels. The last traded price was 564. Okay, and you can see that I have marked on two levels with two green lines, 538 on the downside and 572 on the upside. So the strategy remains same. If it goes to this level and fails to break through and shows some reversal sign, you can sell. In case it goes up, crosses the resistance and manages to stay above the resistance comfortably for 15-20 minutes, okay, then the resistance becomes the support and then you can go ahead and buy. That will be your safe trade. In case it comes down, hits this level, shows some price rejection from below and bounces off from here, you can go ahead and buy. Simple. So you can 572 on the upside, 538 on the downside. Okay. So the third stock is Rio Tinto. Same goes with Rio again. LTP or the last traded price was 56355, and two important levels for the day are 6428 and 6176. If it hits this level, shows some reversal sign, sell off. If it crosses the level, it's a breakout, but to get the confirmation, let the stock trade above the resistance for 15-20 minutes, let it trade easily, let it break through comfortably, okay, then only we can consider it as a breakout. So 6428 is a decisive level. In case it goes down, if it bounces from 6176, this zone, then you can buy. If it bounces, confirmation is important. Okay, you can take the confirmation with the help of any indicator of your own choice. Volume, that's up to you. In case it's breaks this level towards the downside, and if you spot some heavy selling pressure from the bears, then you can short the market below this green line. Okay, then your target would be 6028. So the next stock is Standard Chartered. For Standard Chartered also again, you see that these are the important levels. LTP was 509 and the stock is almost trading at the resistance zone. Okay, so today we just need to see where it opens. If it opens below the 509 level, it may go up and it may hit this level. In case it fails to break the level and comes down, then okay, you know what to do. You can sell it. Okay, but it should be proper. Okay, because see, it's almost trading at the resistance zone. If it bounces or reverses from here, you can sell. And if it crosses the level, okay, if it succeeds in breaking the resistance level, then it's a breakout. Let it sustain above the resistance for 15-20 minutes. Once you get the confirmation, then go ahead and place the buy order. In case it comes down to 495 level, if it bounces from here, then buy. Okay. And if you see some heavy selling pressure or big red candles, okay, in that case also you can sell only below this level, below this green line, or below 495 level. So the next stock is BHP Group. Okay, for BHP Group, only one important level, that is this 2337, and okay, this level is very important. Okay, if you I wouldn't say to short the market, because if it hits the mark, if it hits this level also 52337 and shows some reversal sign also, then also I will refrain you. Okay, I'll say that do not short the market easily, because you can see that market is making higher lows. Okay, it is not making it is not in a consolidation and it is not making lower lows. Okay, it is making higher lows. Okay, that means that bulls are still present in the market and they are trying to take the price upward. Okay, so it will be very risky for you to short the market. Okay, so the best trade will be just wait for it to cross this level, let it trade comfortably, and if you see that it's a breakout, then go ahead and buy. No shorting. Okay, only buy above 2337 level only, but get the confirmation first. So the next stock is HSBC Holdings. Okay, LTP was 429. Okay, two important levels are 416 on the downside and 432.60 on the upside. That's it. If it comes down to 416.7 level, if it bounces from there, buy. Okay. If it goes to the 432.6 level, if you see some reversal or price rejection from above, you can short it. If it breaks, then you know what to do. Get the confirmation, let it sustain above the resistance level. Okay, let the resistance become the support, and it's your market. Okay, so that's it for the day. Hopefully you all have understood. um, if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I always bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and